Hello everyone, this is Sandian from South Korea. Also for Hanja and Chinese characters Bible. This time the 15th character, this character meaning divination, divine. On the index we are here. In Korean language, 전복, 점칠복. Yeah. 점 means divination. 점칠 means divine. The South Korean pronunciation of this character is 복. 점복, 점칠복, divination, divine. This character is two-stroke, radical. Korean Hanja and Chinese characters are all same in shape. This character is the combination of these two characters. Okay, and the symbolic analysis and interpretation of this character is it is the meaning that a man. You have learned this character. One of the Kanji in sky, earth, and man. The third character, meaning man, in hidden meanings. The meaning that a man divines or forecasts. The meaning. The future to save life. The hidden meanings of this character dot to life, light, God. Please try to remember by going back to the first character. The first character. If you don't know. The pronunciation in Chinese language, it's tone number 3. Bo, bo, tone number 3. Conceptual value. But sometimes it is pronounced bo, bo. For example, if you see this character, ruobo, ruobo, meaning radish, edible, radish. In Chinese language, this pronunciation happens in some cases when you use or eat, or in so many cases if you need this character, it tends to be this type of very simple, short and light pronunciation. We call it 경성. Okay, so the dictionary meaning of this character: divine, forecast, let people know, estimate, foretell, predict, choose, even preach, tell fortunes, fortune telling, surname. These dictionary meanings remained in the Korean Hanja dictionary and Chinese dictionaries. Okay, hidden meanings. This character is sort of very mysterious character from my viewpoint. In the olden days, this character reminds me of the good man who delivered God's message. But as time goes by, corruption has been made from original meaning. It is God's hatred that man does not receive what God has given in the world and communicate it with his own greed. This character also reminds me of the Bible story of Jonah. Have you ever read of it? If not, please try to read. A very mysterious and strange story in it. And why tone number? Those who preach the word of God shall do it by patience, humbleness, and obedience. So tone number 3. I have already addressed in English the tone number principles 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, in my channel. So the original meaning of this character reminds us of the good meaning originally made by whom who had to deliver the God's message to the world people in patience, humbleness, and in obedience, by accepting it, embracing it, in tolerance, in a humble and modest and obedient manner. Okay, I don't know. What do you think about this interpretation? But Hanja and Chinese characters was created as well according to the mind and spirit of the Bible words from my viewpoint. So in this way, I interpret in a symbolic way of analysis and in biblical way of analysis. You may try to learn Chinese characters through these Bible verses as well. It is God's hatred that man does not receive what God has given to him or her in the world and communicate it with his own greed. It's God's hatred. Okay, but the original meaning of this character was so good, like Jonah. Okay, thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time for another character. Thank you.